Welcome. This meditation is here to help you rest, relax, and rejuvenate. You can use it at the end of the day during a midday pause, or whenever you need to restore your energy and calm your mind. Find a position that feels comfortable, either lying down or sitting with your back supported. Allow your body to settle. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in, filling your lungs completely, and let the air flow out, releasing the weight of the day. One more time, inhale deeply, gathering any stress or tension, and exhale fully, letting it all melt away. Now return to a natural rhythm of breathing, steady, calm, and effortless. With every inhale, you invite peace. With every exhale, you let go of what no longer serves you. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation slowly flowing down. It softens your forehead, smoothing away any creases or frowns. This wave relaxes your eyes, your jaw, your cheeks. Your shoulders drop a little lower, no longer needing to hold themselves up. The wave drifts down your arms, through your elbows, into your wrists, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. With every breath, you grow heavier, calmer, more at ease. The wave of relaxation spreads through your chest, your heartbeat finding a steady, soothing rhythm. Your abdomen softens, your hips relax, your legs feel heavy and warm, completely supported by the surface beneath you. Finally, your feet and toes sink into stillness. From head to toe, your body is resting, safe, calm, and at peace. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of a quiet lake at sunset. The air is fresh and cool, the water perfectly still, reflecting the golden light of the fading sun. As you stand here, you feel the beauty of stillness all around you. The world slows down. The air is filled with quiet. Take a deep breath in and imagine breathing in this peaceful scene. Exhale and let go of every thought that no longer serves you. Like ripples on water, your worries drift outward and fade away. You don't need to think about tomorrow. You don't need to replay yesterday. This moment, here and now, is enough. Above you, a gentle golden light appears, soft, glowing, warm. As you breathe in, imagine this light pouring down into your body, restoring energy, strength, and balance. It fills your mind with clarity. It fills your heart with peace. It fills your body with vitality. This golden light settles in your chest, glowing near your heart. With every heartbeat, it spreads through your body, recharging you from the inside out. Your cells are renewing, your energy is rising, your spirit is softening and expanding. You are not only relaxing, you are recharging. Silently repeat these words to yourself, letting them sink deep into your mind. I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. My body is resting. My mind is clear. My energy is being restored. Take a slow breath in and breathe these affirmations into your being. Exhale and release any lingering tension. Now imagine yourself lying on a quiet beach. The sand is warm and soft beneath you. The waves of the ocean roll in and out in a steady rhythm. Each wave that arrives washes over you with calm, carrying away stress and fatigue. Each wave that recedes leaves behind a sense of renewal. Inhale with the wave as it rolls in. Fresh, cleansing energy flows into you. Exhale as the wave rolls back. Tiredness and tension drift away into the sea. Allow this rhythm to soothe you like the gentle heartbeat of the earth. You are immersed in healing rest. Your body is heavy, supported, and calm. Your mind is open, quiet, and still. Your heart is light, free, and at peace. In this silence, you are whole. In this stillness, you are deeply renewed. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be, just here, just resting. Stay in this space for as long as you like, breathing gently, enjoying this quiet restoration. When you are ready to return, do so slowly and softly. Begin to notice your breath again. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arm and legs if that feels good. Take one last deep, refreshing breath in and exhale fully, returning lighter, calmer, and more alive. Carry this rest and rejuvenation with you. Your body feels renewed. Your mind feels refreshed. Your spirit feels balanced. As you open your eyes, bring this sense of peace into the rest of your day or into the deep, restorative sleep ahead. May you feel rested. May you feel relaxed. May you feel deeply rejuvenated. Thank you for giving yourself this time.